trigonometrical forms and then try to understand how you can integrate those integrated forms into the another integrable form just by changing them. How? Now here you see, you know that sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, and sine A minus B, I just write here 1. So sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, and sine A minus B is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Same way, if you go for cos A plus minus B, so you have cos A cos B and minus plus. When you have plus here, there will be negative, and sine A sine B. Okay, now if you add sine A plus B, if I add sine A plus B with sine A minus B, then these two terms, plus and negative, these two will cancel, so you will have only 2 sine A cos B. So 2 sine A cos B. If you subtract the sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, this term will get cancelled and these two will be added. So we have sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, and this have 2 cos A sine B. Now if I find the sum of two cosine terms, one is A plus B and one is the A minus B, then what I will get? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So these two will cancel. This one is negative, other is positive. So you will get 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. These are not integration. These are just trigonometrical identities. Or this is called as the multiple angles. And we have cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. I am writing negative first because I want the terms to become positive. If you write positive first, it will become the minus 2 sin A sin B, and if you write negative first, then we get the 2 sin A sin B is positive. So cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and you will get 2 sin A and sin B. So these are the forms, and in your class 11 you might have been explained the whole thing as how to convert sum. These two are called sum. This plus this is equal to product. So sum into the product or the product into sum. This is how in the schools or in the textbooks the authors try to explain these things. So these are just formulas which we are going to use. Now I'll take some examples and try to find out how we can integrate. So if you just feeling that you do not know about these formulas, you can just pause the screen and just copy this down on your paper, and then, because I'm going to remove it, I need a better space and clean space. Now suppose I have to integrate something like sine 7x and cos 3x dx. So right now we do not have any way of finding out the integration by product. There is a concept called integration by product, but that will be studied later. Right now we do not have those kind of sophisticated mathematical tools. We just have simple one terms, sine 7x and the cos 3x. How to find the sine 7x and the cos bx. We have a formula, just saw that 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So we have 7x and the cos 3x. So A is 7x, B is 3x. So you just write here 2 sine 7x cos 3x is sine 7x plus 3x, this will become 10x, plus sine 7x minus 3x, that is 4x. So instead of going for this term, you should go for this term, but here since 2 is required, which I do not have any, so I'll write half outside and 2 here. This is I for integral, so half outside. At the place of this I'll write sine 10x plus sine 4x dx. Now you just break this down into two integrals. integration of sine 10x dx plus half integration of sine 4x dx, and integration of sine 10x will be minus cos 10x over 10 minus cos 10x over 10 multiplied with half, so it's become minus 1 over 20. So I can write just minus this over 20. This also will become negative, and the sine 4x integration will be cos 4x over 4 multiplied with 2 minus cos 8x over 8 plus c. This is how you can solve this question. So now I'll clear the screen. I'll take another example just to elaborate my point. Now I take another form which goes like this: integration of cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. How will you find the integration of this one? So we'll use the same but formula, similar formula, not same formula, and the formula is that cos a plus b plus cos a minus b gives you 2 cos a cos b. So we have the formula like 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Now you just here I can take any two terms. I just try to go by 1 and 3 odd numbers. So I'll take cos x and cos 3x. 2 I'm not writing, I can later manipulate there. So cos x and the cos 3x. So sum of these two, we will have 3x plus x, that is 4x, plus cos. You have x minus 3x, this gives you minus 2x, but you know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. So I'm getting x minus 3x minus 2x, but I'll just write cos 2x because it's the same thing. Now, so here I'm just trying to manipulate. What I have taken that half and the cos 2x, I keep it outside, cos 2x, and then you see that I have written 2 cos x and cos 3x. Now this 2 thing here, now this 2 and this 2 will become like this. So this 2 things become like this. So I'll have my term as half cos 2x, and here I can write cos 4x plus cos 2x. So you just divide this, break this down, you get half cos 2x cos 4x plus half cos square 2x. Hence cos 2x multiplied by cos 2x, you get cos square tx. Now I'll use the same formula just to find out how this one can be written as using same thing. So first I need to put 2 there inside and the half there outside. So 1/2 is already there, so it's become 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, and this will become 2 cos 2x and cos 4x. Same thing I'll do here also. This will become 1 by 4 and this becomes 2 cos square 2x. So this one will become 1 by 4 and this one, as it is very much like this, becomes cos sum of these two. So this is cos 2x plus cos 4x will give you cos 6x plus cos 4x minus 2x is 2x, and this is 1 by 4 and 2 cos square x you can write, because I just previous few minutes back or in the maybe in the perhaps previous video I told you that one formula is called 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. So in this light you can convert this 2 cos square 2x as 1 plus cos 4x. So 1 plus cos 4x. So now you have terms like this: 1 over 4 cos 6x, 1 over 4 cos 2x, 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 cos 2x. So I just want to clear this part of screen so that wait. I think I can write here. So I write integration of this part. So here I write, just to save some times, 1 by 4 cos 6x. So I write 1 by 4 cos 6x dx. I think it is clear to everyone, can see properly. And now this is 1 by 4 again and cos 2x. So here it is cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of 1 dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos 4x dx. Now I want to clear my screen because I am really running out of space. So from here I directly write, I'm going from here to there. So 1 by 4 integration of cos 6x will become sin 6x over 6. Now attach 1 by 4 here. Integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2. So sin 2x by 2 and 1 by 4 plus. Integration of 1 dx is x, so 1 by 4x plus integration of cos 4x is sin 4x over 4 and 1 by 4 is already here. So sin 4x by 4 plus c is the constant of integration. Now I write everything properly in the order, so it will become 1 over 24 sin 6x plus 1 over 8 sin 2x plus 1 over 4x plus 1 over 16 sin 4x plus c. This is the answer of this integration. So in the next video, I'll take some special questions and try to find out the integration, because in the very next video, just after this series, I'm going to start the integration by method of substitution. So this is the general integration which you're trying to understand. We don't have any specific rules right now. We're just using converting them, the given expressions, the algebraicals or trigonometricals or the mixture of these into those forms which can directly be integrated using the formulas. So just thank you very much, and in the next video we'll learn about more about the different forms of integration.